Elevated on a single cross-shaped pillar, one of the structures extends 4 meters above the ground. The other, longer one, is partially buried, designed as a retaining wall. Two houses, two entirely different relationships with the landscape, yet they behave as if they were one. Located at 2,100 meters above sea level, in a clearing of the Andean forest in the municipality of El Retiro, Colombia, Ballen House is the result of a collaboration between the Norwegian studio LCLA office and local architect Clara Arango. The site, once used as cattle pasture, was transformed into a field of experimentation between architecture and landscape design. Instead of a single large house, the architects chose to distribute the volumes along the rugged slope, respecting the topography and creating space for gardens that interconnect the structures. This approach resulted in two distinct buildings, differing in both form and their relationship with the ground. The longhouse is semi-buried and closer to the earth. Its direct contact with the soil gives it a more introspective, almost cave-like atmosphere. The shower is open, enclosed only by a long curtain that allows for different spatial configurations. The square house, more compact, is suspended above the steepest point of the terrain. This elevation creates a sense of lightness, with wide open views and constant cross-ventilation. The interior space, though compact, was designed to feel larger. Levels defined by the cantilevered structure create distinct living areas without the need for excessive furniture. Both houses share the same material palette: exposed concrete forms, glass window frames with custom profiles designed by the architects themselves, and custom stainless steel detailing, chosen for its durability and low maintenance. The suspended house measures 64 square meters, while the longhouse covers 75 square meters and features an accessible rooftop. The materials used on the exterior continue inside, creating visual continuity and making the spaces feel larger than they are. Between the two buildings, a winding path leads through a carefully curated garden. Plants native to high-altitude climates were selected for this cold, mountainous environment. Wild orchids, bromeliads, and other species that evoke the páramo ecosystem, a high-altitude vegetation common to the Andes. More than just a garden, this space connects, expands, and complements the interior living experience. These are not just minimalist dwellings. They are also experimental forms that respond to the needs of a larger home by trusting the outdoor spaces to serve as natural extensions of the indoors. The two houses function as a whole, and although they offer radically different atmospheres, they share the same architectural gesture, one that blurs the boundaries between architecture and landscape, indoors and outdoors.